So this is absolutely beautiful. It is a stunning piece of Chanel. It's a double flap, size medium, in lambskin, and the condition is insane. It is in incredible condition. It's an absolute beauty of a bag. So we've got the strap, which is leather and chain, which you can have like so, or you can pull it and have it at half the height. We'll come back into the size test. So the exact measurements, as always, are on the website, but this helps put those measurements into perspective. So I'm about a UK size 8'10", I'm about 5'4", okay? And if we have it at the longer length, we're looking at it like that. It's just so cool, I love it. And as a crossbody, it's that sort of length. Okay, so nice length. So this bag comes with a whole bunch of stuff. We've got the Chanel box, which inside has got Chanel tissue paper, Chanel dust bag. We've also got the Chanel ribbon. We've also got the Authent card. When I show you inside the bag in a minute, I don't think the angle and the lighting will mean I can show you the sticker, but on the website there's a photograph of the card and the sticker that's inside the bag. We've also got the original receipt from Sloane Street, London. And my favourite, the adorable little envelope. And inside, I've two care docs. I've called them both care docs. One of them is definitely a care doc. The other one is more like a sort of romantic poem about Coco Chanel with some care information at the end. But as I said, on the website, I've called them both care docs in a little cute envelope. So let's show you the bag. We'll show you the back first. So you've got the little pocket, flat pocket on the back. And then the sides, both sides. And I'm going to show you the base. Okay, so it has of course got the iconic double C turn lock. Open that, open the first flap. Okay, so we've got the first section here and a zipped pocket here, okay. All of these little pockets and sections all have reasons for their existence. I'm not going to talk you through all of those on this, I'm just going to show you the bag. So I've got a blog on the website that explains why Coco wanted different sections and different colours. Okay, but that's that. The second flap is a Prested fasten, and we get that beautiful burgundy inside with your C's and the Chanel. Beautiful section here. So in here we've got two flat pockets and that little central pocket. Okay, great for putting lipstick in. And then we've got the front section there. The sticker is literally in there where my finger, no, it's not gonna, I can't show you that. But like I said, there's a picture of that on the website. So it feels just exquisite. It's so beautiful. And literally you could wear this with anything. I mean, you could wear this jeans and t-shirt. You could wear it with a little black dress. You could wear this with your joggers and a sweatshirt. It just looks amazing with everything. So condition-wise, the hardware is in excellent condition. The interior is in excellent condition. The exterior I've called very, very, very good condition. I just can't quite call it excellent, but it is so good, it's incredible. So let's show you the reason why. On the back, just here, in fact, if I open it, it might be easier for you to see. Where is it? Just here. There's a little bit of wrinkling. And you see that just there. Now, that is the nature of lambskin. And the second you start using it, that is what will happen. And that's why there's the whole lambskin caviar debate. So it's barely nothing, but I'm going to tell you about it. Also, inside here, can you see there, because you've got the Prested, a little dent. Now again, this is the nature of using this bag. The second you start using this bag, that is what happens. That is part of it. But I just wanted to point that out to you. Okay. The bottom corners are in incredible condition. There is, if you search for it, you can see, yes, the bag's perhaps been used a few times. I'd say maybe twice. But you've really got to search for that. And again, I'm making it sound worse than it is. It's me wanting to be absolutely 100% honest and truthful with you. It's basically in excellent condition throughout, but it has got a little bit of wrinkling and a little bit of wrinkling on that frosted bit. You have to know about it, and therefore I've called it very, very, very good. So there is a link to this on our website. If you go to the comments below, there's a link there, and you can come through to our website. We've got all of our bags, purses, wallets, etc. all on there. And whilst there, sign up to our newsletter. It'll take you seconds to do, and we'll give you a discount code for money off your first purchase. It's dead easy. Scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, and there's a box, put your email address in. We will immediately send you an email that you need to verify, and then we'll immediately send you your discount code. If you don't get those emails immediately, check your spam folder. It just means that your security wall is too high for us to get through. So check your spam, it'll be in there, and then add us to your address book. And then it means that any future discount codes will be able to come straight through into your inbox, which is where you want them. Also, in the comments below, I've put a link to our Instagram. So if you're an Instagrammer, come and join us on Insta. And of course, if you like bags and Armcandy and you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. We have got so much more stuff which is just out of shot, waiting to come online. You don't want to miss it. So subscribe to us, set up your alerts. You want to be the first person seeing which bags come in, so that you've got the first refusal on anything that we've got on Armcandy Bag Co.